Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Krissy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. In today's video, you guys, I am going to take you step by step on how to add false lashes, eye extensions, eyelashes. So yeah, you guys, I've been wanting to do this video for the longest time. I get so many requests or from friends that are like, oh my gosh, I don't know how to do my makeup, I don't know how to put lashes on. I would never wear lashes because I don't know how to put them on. But I'm here to tell you guys, they are so simple and they're so easy to install. All you need lashes, glue, and a little tweezer and you're good to go. You guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys go right now, click that subscribe button and the bell on the side so you are notified when I do upload new videos. I first got into lashes, you guys, when I was about maybe 19 or 20 years old, in my early 20s. And since then, I've had lash extensions installed where they last for about 4 weeks or longer. And I've always worn or always added, eyelashes to my makeup or to my face every time I do a makeup look because I feel as if it enhances your looks and it gives you so much of a definition when you add on lashes. So you guys, the first thing that I do prior to adding on my lash extensions is I add on a mascara. Now this mascara is not a normal one that I would normally use, but it was up in the medicine cabinet, so I went ahead and I just pulled it out and I'm going to add it to my lashes. So after I've added my mascara to my lashes, I'm going to go in and I'm going to show you guys the lashes that I use. I use a variety of different styles of lashes, contingent on my makeup and where I'm going. If I'm going on a more of a day look or, a girl's night out or maybe going on a date, my lashes change and it just varies. So a great pair of lashes to start off with, you guys, is going to have to be the Ardell Wispies. I don't know if you guys have seen these in Target or any Walmart store or even some of your clothing stores will actually, they sell accessories and everything. They will sell the Wispies by Ardell. These Wispies are my favorite, my go-to perfect style of lashes because you can transform them from your day to your night. They're not too thick, they're not too volumized to where you can't wear them during the day. When I put these on, they blend in with my natural lashes, which I absolutely love. I like a natural look, but I also like a little bit of a glam if I am going to do my lashes. So these are the perfect choice or perfect brand to go with if you're just now starting off with your Ardell. Now they do have more of your smaller, shorter, more natural lashes that you can choose from as well if you don't want to do the wispy because they're a little bit more long. But you guys, if you are looking to do some lashes, I would definitely go in with the Ardell. These are one of my favorite brands. Again, my favorite. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to, I use the glue duo to put onto my lashes. This is by far everyone's holy grail. I feel like everyone uses duo. I use the black. I do have it in the white. If you use the black, it's easier to manage because when it dries, it's going to be black. And it's not really going to show. Sometimes if you do white, you can, get traces of the white and you'll have to go over it with your eye pencil or eyeliner. But with the black duo, it's easier to manage when you're installing your lashes. What do the lashes look like up close, you guys? And so I'm going to use this duo glue and I'm actually just going to go along that line there to give me a nice little line for the lashes. Okay, so now that I have a nice little coating of the lash adhesive onto my lash, it's gonna look like that. You're gonna want to let your lashes sit for at least 1 minute, 60 seconds, a minute. Because if you go ahead and put this on right now, how it is, just wet, and just sticky glue on your lashes, you're gonna mess up your makeup. It's gonna go on your lashes. It's just gonna be a mess. And this is another reason why, you guys, I get the black adhesive instead of the white too. Because if I'm in a rush, then I'm like, and then it's like, oh my gosh, my lashes are messed up. But you guys let it at least sit for 60 seconds, a minute, pretty much. So if you're in a rush, and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't have time to wait for these things to dry, I need to go like right away, I'm about to show you guys a trick on how you can get this glue to dry super fast, because you want it to be like tacky, it needs to be a little bit sticky so that it will be applied to your lashes the proper way. So let me show you guys the trick of what I do to speed up the process. Alright, you guys, so I like to take a blow dryer. This is so ghetto. I like to take a blow dryer, you guys, and I like to turn it on low heat and just give the little lashes a little bit of heat to make the process go quicker. And you'll start to notice the glue start to dry up a little bit. You want your glue to be just like this, you guys. You want it to be like this. And that means that it's pretty much like that nice tacky feel. So now you can go ahead and install it. Now you guys, some of the lashes are shorter on the ends, and then they're longer on one end. I like to take the shorter ends, and those are gonna go more towards my the crease of my eye. The longer part of the lash is gonna go towards this way. I take my lash applicator tool, and I like to hold my lashes down, and then I apply it to my lash. Then I'll take my fingers and kind of bring it down to my lower lash. And I like to squeeze my lash along with the actual artificial lash together so that it looks more natural. And we're going to take this lash and we're going to do the same thing with this lash. It's already, you know, tacky enough to where I can apply it. I personally like to hold my lashes downward and then put it on to that lower line of my lash. I feel as if it makes it a little bit easier for me to do. People do it so many different ways. Do it to the best of your ability and what's comfortable for you. And as you can see, I really hate using the lash applicator because sometimes it can be good. Sometimes it can be like the worst. I think about using this black adhesive, you guys, because like right here I had like a little bit of that adhesive there. Because I do have like this black eyeliner on, it honestly just melts into the eyeliner. So I don't really have to go back through and I don't have to touch up, you know, right where that line is, because that line that I already created is creating me a natural eyelash line for my lashes. Enjoy this eyelash, you know, application, and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you guys drop it down in my video below, and I hope this is able to help you guys how to properly add on lash extensions. It's super easy. You can get any lashes from Walmart, Target, any of your drugstore places as well. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys go right now, click that subscribe button and that bell on the side so you are notified when I do upload new videos. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.